Hey Maywood, Pastor Tony and I want to express our deepest gratitude for making the winter retreat possible that we were just able to go on with 99 kids and leaders this past weekend. We are wonderfully exhausted. We had a great weekend talking about what true koinonia or fellowship is with other believers and with Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we had so much fun playing dodgeball in the gym. There were many who went rock climbing. We had some great times in the canteen, but I know there were several, many in fact, who really enjoyed the giant swing that they have at camp. Check this out.